Ja, wenn ich es richtig im Kopf
Ich glaube, die Teig ist too weich, honey. The Teig ist too weich. The dough is too soft. So noch your meal packet. But I wanted him to get a roll. Welcome back to part 2 of our couples teamwork. So without wasting much of your time, we're just going to dive right in because Mr. Krieger is waiting. It can't wait. So you can start. What do we need for today's?
Heute gibt es einen Schweinsbraten mit Kartoffelknödel und Sauerkraut. Das ist ein typisch österreichisches Essen.
Hey, today we have roasted pork with, no, just roasted pork. This is a typical Austrian meal. Roasted pork. Sagt man in österreichischer Dialekt oder in österreichischer...
In Österreich ist das der Schweinebraten. In Deutschland, glaube ich, ist es der Sauerbraten. Oder?
Sauerbraten in Österreich heißt Schweinebraten. Now, if you don't already know, the pork part we'll be going for today is the neck part, okay? So what we'll do is just go in generously season with salt and pepper first and then next Kümmel.
Nehmen oder gemahlenen Kümmel.
Ich mag eigentlich ganze Kümmel.
Ja, das ist noch gleich so.
Hobby wanted to go for cumin powder while I was for cumin seed, but either of them is perfect. Now, adding some pressed garlic, generously marinate, adding small amount of water, bring to the oven to roast for the first 1 hour 30 minutes at 160 degrees C. So after making, we made some potato. Okay, we'll be making a potato dumpling. Okay, so all you need for your potato dumpling is, of course, cook with the skin. Take your time and cook with the skin until it is well soft and tender. Look at how soft that is, and then peel it off and press. So while we do that, I will ask Kobe some questions and let him tell us a little bit. How long we've been together, Oni? How long have we been together? Wie lange sind wir zusammen jetzt?
12 Jahre.
Yeah, 12 years together with my husband. And we met in Africa. Okay, we met through internet. And I remember the first day when he visited Africa. Idea was get to know me. We met online, and and then he flew to Africa, to Dakar to be precise. So this is what we used to press the potato, the cooked potato. Und war das für dich eine Herausforderung oder?
Natürlich war es eine Herausforderung. Ich hab dich ja nur per Internet gekannt und ein paar Mal telefoniert.
We met on internet and then we spoke several times on phone.
Und dann habe ich mir gedacht,
yeah. Okay, and then my husband feels more comfortable talking in German as in English. And what he just said is that after talking a while on phone, and then he said that this woman is worth meeting in person.
Am 4. Dezember 2012, als ich dein Bild gesehen habe, habe ich es angeklickt. Und geschrieben, nice picture. Das war der Beginn unserer Schriftverkehr.
Okay, guys. Okay, when we met on the 4th of December, that was the first day he saw my picture online. And then he has to click the picture and he said, nice picture. Can't remember everything, but guys, I bet you I can't remember nothing. While hubby is doing a great job with the dumpling, let me use this time to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. You guys are the best, and if this is your first time and you're still watching, you are the best also. Thank you so much. Please, if you haven't hit the like button, go ahead and do so for me. Subscribe to my channel for future content, for more recipes like this or more topic like this. Now, if you haven't seen the first clip of this couples teamwork, I will leave a link up here on the screen so you could get along with what the discussion is all about. After peeling and pressing out your potato, you want to add in egg, add in pinch of salt and some flour, depending on the quantity you're going for. Now you want to form a dough just as you see on the screen without kneading it. Du in der Kacke gekommen.
Ich glaube, das war der 9. Februar.
Schau, Anni, wenn du das magst, du halt so vorher 6, dann hast du Form, dann kannst du so dran.
Okay.
Ja?
Ja, wenn ich es richtig im Kopf
Ich glaube, die Teig ist zu weich, Anni. Die Teig ist zu weich. Die Dough ist zu soft. So,
Weich?
ja, wir müssen noch Mehl eingeben. Tust Mehl
Okay.
rein. Ja. So, on the 9th of February 2013. Don't forget that day.
Und ich habe einen Flug gebucht
Ja,
von Wien nach Madrid und
Ja.
von Madrid nach Dakar. Nur habe ich eines nicht bedacht, ich habe in Madrid 5 Stunden
oh
warten müssen.
my goodness.
Da habe ich nicht aufgepasst. Ich habe das erste Mal über Internet einen Flug gebucht.
Yeah, like from Vienna to Madrid, and Madrid he has to stay. Yeah, this is your perfect house. Aber warte mal. In Madrid he has to stay 5 hours. Has to wait for 5 hours. So he didn't check how long he was going to spend in Madrid. Warte mal. Hallo. So, bisschen Mehl auf den Teller. Und dann einzelne immer Mehl in dein... Oder? So. And you know what, guys? What Carl did? What he did when he came? He said, he said he does not smoke. And
Ja,
do you,
das habe ich nicht gesagt.
oh ja, du hast gesagt, du rauchst nichts. Du
Nein,
hast nicht
nein.
geraucht.
Wie bei dir war.
Ja.
Die 2 Wochen nichts geraucht. Dem Grund, ich wollte mir in Schwächert eine Packung Zigaretten kaufen im Duty Free Shop.
Mhm.
Ja?
Mhm.
Und die hat mir dort gesagt, ich kann nur eine Stange kaufen. Und ich habe gesagt, nein, ich will nur eine Packung.
Okay, also du wolltest nur ein Stück haben.
Eine Packung. Ja.
Also eine Packung.
Ich muss eine Stange kaufen.
Ach
Ich gesagt,
so.
nein, will ich nicht. Ich will das nicht. Und vor lauter Zorn habe ich keine Zigaretten gekauft und habe die 2 Wochen bei dir auch keine Zigaretten
He wanted to
geraucht.
get one at duty free shop in the airport, but he needed just one packet, the whole full packet. Wie viel ist in einem Paket?
20 Zigaretten.
Ja, aber in Ganze wolltest du kaufen.
Ja, das wären 10 Packungen gewesen in
Ja.
der Stange. Nein, die wollte ich nicht kaufen.
Ah, so he wanted just one packet, but they wanted him to get a whole roll. In one roll, I think there is 10 inside one roll, but he wanted just one packet. And they said they don't sell one packet. So he was angry because he just needed to have the limit of what he wants. If you have one, whatever you have, that's what you consume. If you don't have it, you will not consume it. Okay. So that was what he was trying to avoid, but it didn't work out for him because they refused. He have to have that one, the whole roll, but he needed just one packet. So he skipped. He refused. He said, then leave it. I'll go without. Okay, so we have achieved a nice well-rolled dumpling, potato dumpling. At the airport when we first met, it was a little bit dark. Okay, it was getting dark already.
Eine kleine schwarze Frau mit weißer Bluse und Jeans, das weiß ich auch noch. Ganz sicher.
Harvey will say this talking, he keeps saying it. Yeah, and then at the airport, I saw one dark-skinned lady with a white outfit. I still can't forget the outfit. I have the picture with it. Now, this is what a well-formed potato dumpling looks like. It looks perfect. You go ahead and cook some water, enough water, add in salt and drop them in to cook. When it begins to float on top of the water, it means it is ready. Well, let me say a very big thank you if you are still watching. Then you are an amazing person. Please like this video if you haven't done so. Thank you so much. Now, after 1 hour, 30 minutes, this is what our pork neck roast looks like. Pork neck roast. If you have a jus like this, okay, pork jus or broth, look at how jelly that is. You want to add this for more flavor. Okay, I bet you this is a game changer. And then we'll continue to do this at 170 degrees C for 1 hour 30 minutes again. So while we do that, you want to continuously turn to the other side to have that perfect brown roasted look. Our water is cooking first. Water to cook the potato dumpling. Dumpling is well formed back as it was. And then drop in the hot water. Okay, just slowly cook in hot water. So like we were talking about story, guys. Don't I think we'll stop for now because the food is almost getting ready and Car don't have patience anymore. I think we just have to skip this topic for the next upcoming third, the part three of this couples teamwork. I think we will stop on this place, guys. I will just we will talk about how the time when he arrived in Africa. Yeah, okay, the next upcoming episode. Het is zo lekker. Oh, space te waanzinnig. So, ik moest mijn foto snel maken. After 3 hours, finally we are done. Okay, our pork neck roast is ready, guys, and it is looking absolutely good. Now, this is 1 kilo 300 gram of pork neck. Now, we did the first roasting at 160 degrees C for 1 hour 30 minutes, another 1 hour 30 minutes, 170 degree C. And look at that, guys. The bone is falling off. It is so good, super soft and tender. Like, this is the best. We eat this often in winter, maybe twice in winter. But guys, it's the best pork roast I've ever eaten. It is the best, I bet you. Okay, to continue, guys, this is what our dumpling looks like. It is floating on top of the water. That shows it's ready. But let me say something, guys. It's like Hobby is enjoying this gist already. He's talking more than I want. Okay, so if you want us to continue this gist, or you want to hear more of this gist, please let me know. Or should we stop here? We could stop here, guys. Let me say thank you once again. Geduld mir, mein Gott.
Hab ich schon.
Ja, aber wenn Essen fertig ist, when the food is ready, my husband is like a newborn baby. It's just time to eat. Ja?
Ja, genau.
Ja, ich bist eh so. Das ist ein Wahnsinn. Die Essen rennt nicht dafür. Hey, gut gemacht.
Jetzt nicht davon. Schon, glaube ich.
So already it is time to plate. So Krieger, du bist dran. Wie willst du das servieren? Did you hear that laugh, guys? When Krieger wants to.
Das ist ganz einfach.
So, du serviert. So, first is meat. Ist eine reicht, oder?
2 ist eine Portion.
Ja, wer isst das fertig?
Du, so ist das fertig.
Mit ein bisschen Liebe.
Natürlich. So.
Kraut, wo ist Kraut? Ekadem is not just checking my distance if it's working. Kraut.
Und Soße.
Oh my goodness. Now, over the flesh. Obwohl, ich glaube, dass die Fleisch extrem zu viel ist. Gib her.
Was ist zu viel?
Also, das so große Stück.
Ja, das ist eine Portion. Im Gasthaus. So.
So, this is what we have. This is our meal. I will be talking because I know Krieger is gone at this point. Let's cut it and see. Let's cut. What is it? Did you see my husband's reaction the moment the food is ready? He's a totally different person. He want to have his meal hot. There's nothing to discuss. I fight to make my thumbnail sometimes, or I settle him and let him go and make my video in peace. Now, this is what we call fermented garbage. Okay, sauerkraut is a fermented garbage. Now we have that. We have a dumpling. We have some light gravy sauce, and that's it. When it comes to pork roast, I think my husband have 10/10 because he's really good at it. I hope you try this recipe out. Thank you so much for watching till this time. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Leave your opinion in the comment section. Do you guys think I can finish the rest part of this series with my husband, guys? I am tired. See you all in my next one. Bye for now.